teeth. Tell them say I'm not telling them what to do. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Tasha Diana. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word.
Oh my God!
Brother, look at your sister.
Oh my word!
Cute and girly.
Oh my word, the foot! What are the? Oh my word, the foot!
Jordan, thank you. My sister, come brother girl. Oh, brother gone. Normal.
Oh my word, good! Good, oh my word, good! Oh good, oh
Oh, you
my
run
word!
fast.
Oh my word, see him, see him! Oh my word, see him!
Yeah, put them on, cause I remember them too pretty now. Them too pretty.
Pretty foot, pretty foot! Oh my...
Brother,
Power
look
Tappy
at your
Life!
sister.
Power Tappy Life, oh my... Everybody
And
who there...
Bridget from my feet. Bridget.
And I evade that, oh my word!
Yeah, a Bridget, me have Bridget.
A Bridget, make sure I evade, you know?
No, man, a Bridget.
It's so clean!
Yeah, I'm on two of them.
Sister?
Gotcha. Diamond.
Well, I'm a sister, I have something to tell you. Come here, girl. Come here.
That's coming over.
Come here, girl.
I'm not fooling myself. Make a good news, my brother. Make sure good news. But no say good news. For present. Let's get.
Sister, you know your bro always got you, especially
Yeah.
on a day like this.
Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
before nothing, I'm
Yeah.
gonna show you your birthday present before we talk about it. After we play the match, we
Yes.
talk about your present. Show you your birthday present, sister.
Let me see. Let me see, my brother.
People, to get the birthday present ready for me now, please.
Ready. My brother.
People, to get the birthday.
Make sure the heart attack you give me now.
Sister, just ease your bumba self, na dog. Ever, I tell you something, I got you, you know.
You got me, my bro. You got me.
Sister, I tell you something, I got you, you know, my sister.
You got
I
me.
never believe in my thing, you know. On the link, people, on the get the birthday present ready for me now, please.
Yeah.
I want the birthday present to be, you know, one big, with a big bow and everything.
Yes.
So we can, you know, let me call for the birthday. Let me go, give me a second, oh my word. Let me see.
Thank you.
You know,
Listen. I get nervous going on my brother.
it's not if you get nervous, oh my word.
Let's see. Guys, thank you. Live there. Body there.
Power Tappy Life, Power Tappy Life, Power Tappy Life. Power Tappy Life, the me team.
English Queen, thank you. For the president, big, my brother.
Oh God, oh my word, man. You know me never something there yet.
No, you got me.
Yeah, I like that present, yeah, man, my sister.
Yeah.
Where you ask my boy present?
Oh my word. You dance man.
Eh?
Why were you
You dance them now. Oh my word.
Yeah, we hear it say you have to sing feet, so yeah, you remember brother?
Yeah.
Me say you have to sing feet. So me I wonder, you make me I wonder what kind of present?
Easy now, man, oh my word. Me tell you something, I got you, man.
Got me,
I already
got
tell
me.
you, say, yo. You see when me, you see me as a man. You see when me, you see me as a man, I have I always has made the right choices in life. So
Yeah.
I can, how me da put it? Me can testify. Me can testify, say what you know. I have made a lot of right decisions. And I know say, you're not so soft. For
Yeah.
you come and me make a wrong decision for you.
I
Yes,
do,
what me
I
I
do.
say?
I do,
So
brother. I do.
we are tell you from now, say, you know the thing. Power tap your life, hold on there.
Guys, I want to stop praising you guys. You know my brother got me. You got me. I want to stop praising you guys. Guys, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. Mm.
Alright, team. Team. Oh my word. You ready for your present?
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready, my brother. We're
Oh
ready.
my word, you ready for your present?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready now.
Hold on, before you say no, oh my word, hold on no. Hold on no, oh my word, hold on no. Hold on no. Before you say no, hold on the moment, hold on there. Just, we are beg a moment of silence, please. Yes, what me I say? We are beg a moment of silence. Make way. Inhale, exhale. That's it. With further ado, virtual. This is my sister. Oh my word, today is her birthday. Oh my word, this is my brother virtual. Alright? Let me set the mood
Part
little.
of loving oh my word.
Hold on now. Let me set the mood. Let me set the mood little. Hold on.
I went the blow.
Oh my word, stop worrying my sister. Come home.
I want to Cupid.
It's alright, but I know that you're
In
brave.
love or in a chat, I can see it in his eyes.
Will you face the night, afraid of the dark?
It's why I live there.
When the sun rises up,
Hold on there.
when the shadows descend, every beat of my heart, every step without end.
Hold on there, my word.
Oh my word. And let me just a big up here.
That's what I take.
Wow!
You can sleep in my arms. You don't have to explain.
Hey! Team Warrior!
Baby, whisper my
My
name.
name.
Oh my word.
Sister.
Oh my word.
Thunder is
Oh my word. Yeah,
Team
get me.
boy.
Yeah, carry my life savings come
Hold on,
here.
mama, pause this. Hold on there. Virtual.
Yeah, carry my life savings come here.
Bombonat. Bombonat.
Oh my word. When you say ready, come in the house.
She ready? So virtual. Sister, you like the boy?
Yo, wanna love me, yes sir.
So we're
Wanna
gonna
love
circle
me.
you in a virtual. Circle it, circle it. We're gonna chat you, we're gonna chat you. Circle it. We're gonna chat you, man. Go on, man. Circle it. Sister,
Good man.
we know.
What you got? What you got?
Sister, like the boy feel.
Yeah.
Know you like brown man and man with tattoo too. Me know you like them way there. Like the boy feel, sister. Where's the? Alright then. So what you know, sister? we are play 5 games.
Yeah.
Here's what me I say. We are play 5 games. So, you see, if you win 2, you lose. If me win 3, me win. If you win 3,
Yeah.
you hear me? So I best out of 5. Alright? If you win 3, I may win 2. So be it. So you ready like Freddy and never daddy?
Yeah, me ready.
Yo, my girl, me no want your jaws to get wet cause you see man, that's why I never want to get...
My brother, no man.
Your jaws to get wet?
No, not yet, because my just have to go feel him out first. I don't know not much about him yet.
Alright then. Come here, sister. Matter in your 2 eye, them wipe them up.
No, it don't matter.
I no matter.
No.
I'm think
I disco dust.
disco dust.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I matter.
I
I think I matter. I think I matter, sister. Me nah lie. You're gorgeous, sister. I have to tell you, no, you look good for sure.
Oh, God.
You see? When the boy see all the made at him a while ago, you know, watch him.
Yeah, I see him. My brother, I'm getting nervous now, so
Nervous, me I say, boy, see me, sister.
look.
You see? Ah.
You don't yet. You just a look for me. Brother, oh God, man.
I'll learn to see you cut all 2 wine, sister.
No, you never see that.
No. Bumbo clap.
Nothing done here, my brother. I want us to hold it. Nothing done. Let's watch it. When you pass my brother, I'm not saying good. So I'm going to watch it. Brother.
Sister, we don't want to get no restriction yet. We have got rebuttal that. I give you boy the wine the power at different time, you know. Boy.
You win 3, you win. 3
Yeah. Alright. We just have to play a 5 game.
Yeah.
So we have to play a 5 game, my sister. You ready like Freddy?
I don't know if I'm going to win nothing, my brother.
Yo! You go get tonight your birthday, you know, you go get Inti still, swing, Inti still, swing, all of them things.
I like that, brother.
Don't worry your head, man, oh my word. You don't know we just there, you have to have a great time. You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready. Come in, power tap your life, them, my team. Power tap your life, everybody who just join the life. We are begging on some power tap there in our life. If you can share up your life, if you can repost your life, when you share up your life and repost your life there, please and thanks. Power tap your life there, my team. Bumbo cleat. Oh my ready, start already. Alright then. Come in, my team. Coco Lactive. First double.
First double, guys.
First double. Yeah, get swing there. First double, my team. Use up the first double. Use up the first double there. Use up the first double there, my team. Use up the first double there, my team. Use up the first double, my team. Use up the first double there. Boy. Use up the first double, my team. Use up the first double.
Thank you, that's someone. Oh, God, man. Alright.
Team, even if you go get a strength, you have to put up a fight so they can put up a fight. And give her a strength. Hear me, team?
Thank you so much.
Power tap your life there. Everybody who there, we are begging on some power tap there in the screen. If you can repost the live, me I beg on repost the live. If you can share up your live, me I beg on share up your live for me there, please and thanks.
Oh God, guys. You need an exhale. Brother, yo. You see you? Remember, my brother. I bless
Big up
you.
yourself, oh my word.
Hey, you tell me to put the atmosphere. Oh God, man. Pamela, thank you. English Queen, thank you. Wonderful, thank you. Oh God, man. Before Steve says that, make a religious shower.
Wait, Ian.
Make a religious shower. India, let's see. Pour here. Oh, God.
Team Power Tappy Live.
Thank you.
Power Tappy Live, big girl. Power Tappy Live. Team, I go locked in. Power Tappy Live. If you can share up your life to my supporter them, I be gonna share up your life to my supporter them. Please and thanks. They're gonna want small push.
There's so much, guys.
Power Tappy Live, Power Tappy Live, Power Tappy Live. Power Tappy Live, them team. Power Tappy Live, them.
That.
Pamela, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Power Tappy Live, them team.
There we go.
You post it, guys. Guys, a double or come.
Alright then team, we want 2 Anat here. We want 2 Anat team. We can beg on the 2 Anat please.
Yeah.
Beg on 2 Anat my team. Sexy Changi Tanky, you know.
Whitney.
Alright team, so we have another double. We can use a double. Make we use a double of them team. Make we use a double of them team. Make we use the double of them team. Make we use that double of them team. Make we use that double of them team. Thank you, no favor, mommy. Holy love, that is it, you know. Use the double of them, Marshila. Thank you. Use the double, my team. Use the double. Queen, thank you. Use the double. Sexy Chan, you holy love, you know. Use the double, my team. Use the double, Money G. Thank you. Use the double. Nads, holy love, you know. Use the double, my team. Use the double, my team. Man achievement. Big up, you know. Use up the double of the film with them, my team. Nelly Boo, holy love, you know. Use up the double film with them, my chat. Use up the double film with them, my team. Use the double, my ladies. Holy love, you know.
Thank you. Brittany.
Use a double of the film in the chat.
So much, guys. Alcia. English Queen, thank you. Brittany, thank you.
Sophia, holy love, you know. Come in on my team. We have gloves. Can big on one team.
Rain.
We have gloves. Can big on one.
Here. Road Sugar, thank you. One of one, thank you. Boss. People like that.
Power Tappy Live, my ladies. Power Tappy Live. Tita! Thank you! Easy now, my word. Come in, my team.
I mean,
That if me not snipe. Watch your snipe.
Watch your snipe.
Watch your snipe.
guys, watch him over there. Watch him, guys.
Watch your snipe.
Watch him over there now. See. Come on.
That is it, sister. One year there, sis.
I'll do that.
Come in, my team.
Oh, my team. Thank you so
Holy
much.
love, you no favor, Marshila, Tita Mooney G, Yvette, Queen Barbara, holy love, you know. Man achievement, Sunday, Nads, holy love, you know. Me appreciate you, no me gang. Holy love, my team.
Watch him, guys. Watch him over there. Whitney, thank you. John Rock, one one. Maria. Wait, oh God, man. But guys, the best is good here is ever. One
Power Tappy Live, my team. Power Tappy Live.
I get a triple. Triple, Whitney, thank you. God purpose, thank you.
Power Tappy Live, the team. We can use up that triple again. Marshila, thank you. We can use up that triple. We can use up that triple again. We can use up that triple again. We can use up that triple again, my team. We can use up that triple again. Use up the triple team. Use up the triple. Marshila, thank you. They gonna snipe on the triple. They gonna snipe on the triple, my team. They gonna snipe on the triple chat. They gonna snipe. They gonna snipe double T. Holy love, you know, my sister. That is it, my team. Thank you, no, my ladies. Thank you, my ladies.
Thank you, Ashley. Hey, thank you.
Thank you, my ladies. Double T, holy love, you know, Nads. Thank you, Marshila, Money G, Sophia. Whole heap of love in a team. If you can repost the live, yeah, we're gonna repost the live. If you can power tap the live for me there, please, my ladies. Power tap the live for me there, please, and thanks, my ladies.
Times two. That's boss. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
And I come, oh, this one I'll be there.
What's it? Played it.
Team 1-1 Rose. 1-1 Rose, my team. 1-1 Rose. 1-1 Rose. 1-1 Rose. 1-1 Rose, my ladies. 1-1 Rose. Power tap live there, please and thanks.
Thank you. Wait, you have next play music?
Double, yeah, man.
So someone else said please.
Double, my team. Double. Use up that double. Use up that double after this. Use a double. 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 Use a double.
Hey, thank you.
Use a double, my team.
Use it, thank you.
Use a double, my ladies. Use a double. Use a double.
Thank you.
Use a double, my ladies.
Thanks, girl. Thank you. Thank you.
Use a double. Sexy Changi, whole heap of love, you know. Ashmar, big up yourself, you know. Thank you, my team. Double T, big up yourself, you know. Double T.
Wonderful.
Whole
Thank
heap
you.
of love, you know. Eh?
Guys, watch him. Britney.
I hear a song, this, you know, sis.
Arms of Records.
Many many, so many to the boss out. Ever eat a palm, me sing a creep a palm, me that a pass out. I think I have two piece with your ass out. Power tap the live chat. Yeah, so cocky full stop. How I go on? Welcome to our life. Me a ganja gun round and everybody I know drama. She come round and see for herself, say we do what the fuck we want. Then again already she say no son. See the liquor just a kick and no one touch her. I beat take with the slippers and she a I make she bounce panic a rocky down. Wait, baby you a dancer. You look so innocent, mood you think you're going to. After she want the extra, she grab it up and push it down in her dancer. You're pretty and you money dance. No, don't fuck yourself, but you ever really bad. I'm not trying, no enhance. I'm gonna cover it. I want to our phone. Man, we fuck around, we just be wrong people. Man, a wicked them, man, a evil. Call us feel that feel, but we evil. Pretty girl, no say, keep it, give me all of your love, give me your but if you want to you're lyrical, you're in a person to your physical.
Okay, I jump a while ago.
I don't know how I jump, you know. But forward again, sister. Try send a match. It a send?
Yeah.
Alright, see it, yeah. I don't know what going on a while ago, but sis. Power tap it like that.
What up, guys? Yeah, that one.
Everybody who just joined the live, me I beg you some power tap on the screen there. If you can repost the live and share it up there, please and thanks. Power tap the live there, my team. Power tap the live there. Power tap the live there, my team.
Thank you, buddy.
Power tap the live. Power tap the live there, my team. Power tap the live there, my ladies. Power tap the live there, please and thanks. Alright, team. So we have a double here now. We can use up the double here there, please. So we have a double here there now. Marshilla, thank you. Make we use up a double. Make we use up a double, my team. Make we use up a double chat. Make we use up a double. Make we use up a double. Mooney G, thank you. Make we use up a double, my team. Make we use up a double. Make we use up a double. Nods. Holy for love, you know, nods. Make we use up a double, my team. Make we use up a double. Thank you, my ladies. Power tap live there, my team.
Thank you, guys.
Pick up yourself, you know, man.
Thank you.
Holy for love, you know, my team.
Thank you.
Anybody, so we need to be boss out. Never have I eat a palm, me sit to creep up on me that a pass out. I think I have 2 piece with your ass out. Alright then, oh my word. Alright, dude. Hey, oh my word, with that body there, with that man anybody. Yeah. Hear the history if you know what I mean. Virtuous A doing out there. Session. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm saying virtuous, I'm saying prayer.
Come in on my word. Be a man down, no, everybody I know them. Oh my word, come now, see for yourself, so we do all but that. Come in, double. Use the double chat, use the double. Use the double.
Yeah, watch
Use the
him.
double, come in team, locked in and use the double, locked in and use the double. Talk to your team, oh my word. Pamela, thank you. Talk to your team and make them push up the score. Mooney G, thank you.
That's someone, thank you. Watch him, guys.
Mooney G. Yeah, talk to your team and make them push up the score. Cause just whole heap of love, you know, use up that double at the film of them team. Use up that double at the film of them team.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Pika.
Yes. Bumbo clot. You get a meteorologist shower. Oh, what I give the name again, oh my word?
Meteorologist shower. Sexy shit.
Bomba.
Thank you, sexy shawty. Watch him. That's so wonderful. Thank you. Oh God, man. He did an excellent.
Oh, you thank them again, oh my word. Oh, you tell them thanks again. Thank you. How much I'm gonna tell you who for get kiss. You get sexy chunky kiss already?
Yeah, sexy shawty.
Get some more kiss.
Sexy shawty.
You get the strong one kiss already?
That's
Give more the bottle. Give more the bottle. I'm a virgin too now. More the bottles. Give some kiss. Yeah. Give Shem some kiss to Shem. Warm to Jody.
After me, what should I give my brother?
Jody Bliss. Get Jody Bliss some kiss. Yeah. Warm to Mika. Mika. Jesus Christ. Oh my word.
Thank you, oh God, man.
That is it.
You did like see.
Ask for 1 gloves in I 30. Ask for 1 gloves, make them give 1 gloves. Him beg on 1 gloves, team. Beg on 1 gloves. Beg them 1 gloves, oh my word. Yeah. Cause me I go snipe this, you know, my word. Me I go snipe your score down and make you lose, you know. Ask them for your gloves and push up your score.
Gloves, please.
Just stay careless and safe, me not snipe it.
Guys, no gloves. Can't you the gloves?
Team. Alright then. Snipe me team. See this? Me I go snipe it there. Don't ask me gloves. Don't ask me gloves. See me I go snipe it there. Alright then, me sorry. Oh, clad, yo. Big up yourself loyalty. Your blood clot, yo. See me I go snipe it there. See there? Yeah.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Where's it, brother?
Me get a lion for snipe off your score, you know. You have to ask them for gloves in I last, oh my word.
Okay.
Come in nearly snipe, you know. Thanks to the lion, wait name there. And Mooney G, Holy for love. Nads, Pamela, Marshila, Cookie, Holy for love.
I lie at him, brother.
Lie. Alright then, don't ask them for no gloves in I last, I say, me go snipe. You have to make them show up your score. Come here, go snipe you. Come in. Thank your people, thank your people, oh man.
MVP. One let the MVP.
Yeah.
That song one. Moody putty. Well, I'm gonna say what I third one. I can't have seen me when I use the nails them now.
Yeah. Oh, mama see your nails them?
Yeah, I have nails. Simon.
Pussy clot. Simple and girly.
Simon.
Jesus Christ. Alright then, you ready for them again, oh my word?
Yeah. How much you got, brother?
A two, you gone, you know?
Yeah, what
Can't
you
make you win that one, yeah.
Guys.
Can't make you win that one, yeah.
Guys. It's a triple, guys. It's a triple.
Well, when we done the match, them, me and her go do one 20-minute on the screen, man.
Triple, guys. It's a triple.
Come in, my team. Use that triple player. Use that triple player. Use that triple player. Use that triple player. Use that triple player, my team. Use that triple player. Use that triple player. Use that triple player, the team. Use that triple player. The Marshall, thank you, Jesus Christ. Oh my word, that's so I've made you know. Use that triple player, my team. First gift triple. God's favor, thank you. First gift triple. 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 Use up that triple player. See me, I go snipe you, the oh my word. You have to make them snipe it. Alright then. That is it. Remember, say, look how me I go. Ooh! Me tell them you go snipe you. Double T. Me tell them you go snipe you, you know.
Guys.
You see, all the next triple, you have to beg them for push up your score. Oh my word, because they go snipe it, you know.
Yeah. Guys.
Alright then.
Push it up.
Can't say me never want you.
Thank you so much. Simon, thank you so much. Put him over there so we can go and free, guys.
You have to big up, you have to kiss Nikki Flex. See Nikki
man,
Flex you over there and Seema. Yeah. Give them 2 kiss. Give them 2 kiss.
After me never get on the
Bum, that is a smarty saying you want.
What is? When Jesus say yes.
Nobody not say no. That is it, oh my
After me
word.
never get on the put on. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no.
Bum, not.
It's so
Better
much.
you can't dance to that song there.
When Jesus say yes, must be kidding, man.
You can't dance to that song there, oh my word.
You must be kidding, my brother. You must be kidding.
Alright, after that triple I want to see you dance.
Na compra da sua
Ya bada dar me
convidado, você ganha uma entrada totalmente grátis.
Alright, we are going to see what go on.
Guys, we're gonna time.
Hold on, no, man. We are move too fast, man.
Price.
Power
Thank
tap your
you.
life. Power tap your life, let me tell you.
What's up, Ash? Thank you. There's a picture. Look at that. It's a target. Yeah. One more, Britney. One more. Get your tag. Okay. Whoa!
How much are they in the ranking, oh my word?
Bonky. Brother. 19.
That is it. Not so much of the front top 10.
That's someone. Thank you. Nini, thank you. Johnson, thank you. Sis. Oh God, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You can go up in the top 15, man. Everybody use that double. Use that double. Use that double. Use a double. Use a double, my team. Use a double. 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 Use a double, team.
Thank you so much.
Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Me I go snipe you. Oh my word. Tell him to use up your double.
Bro, use it.
Me I go snipe you. Somebody I go send me a lion. Tell him to use your double.
Thank you. Use it double, guys. Push it.
Yeah.
Money.
Use up that double of them, team. Use up that double of the team. Use up that double of them. Use up that double of them, team. Use up that double of them. Use up that double of the team.
Oh my word. Thank you. Crazy.
Use that double of them.
Thank you. Oh God. Watch him, guys. Yeah. Thank you.
How much you there now?
MVP.
Phenomenal. Thank you. Holy for love, you know.
17.
Ah, see it there?
Nicky Flex, thank you so much, Samad.
You almost reaching the top 15, man.
Yeah. Say third. Yes, thank you so much. Touch you at the line. What's it on? One lifeline. Thank you. Thank you.
5K for reach 16. Top 14 easy, man. I need like about 10 more, 7 or 8 more K for each up there.
Thanks, Mama. One life, thank you so much.
Power tap your life, them team.
Guys, watch him now. Watch him, guys. My name's Sai. Watch him, guys. Watch him. That's someone. Thank you, Tyrone. Thank you. Brittany.
That is it.
Thank you so
Double
much.
T, Wally, Palofino Mumsy, Marshila, Pamela, phenomenal woman, Marvet Hines, more. Thank you, you know. Thank you, people, them, oh my word. Look in our box and bless them up.
MVP. Nikki Flex. Thank you.
Who are the ghosts who shoot for you? One ghost shoot for you, bless her up or bless him up.
Zanny, thank you. That's someone. Thank you. Mika, thank you.
Yeah, that is it.
Nikki Flex. After my name again, and if I put on.
Yeah.
Simon. After my name again, and if I put on. Simon. Thank you.
Come in, power tap your life, them team.
Number 30.
Power tap your life.
Somebody in the material while I go. Let's see who in the material while I go. I think that while I go, it upset my brother.
Man.
Okay.
Alright, so we are get a first double here there. Alright, a 3 that you're there, you know. Use up the first double here there for me, my team. Use up the first double here there.
Everybody in the gloves, guys.
Use up the first double here there. Team, I got you, what's poppin'? Use up the first double here there, my team.
Thank you so much.
Use the first double here there. Money G, thank you. See me a win here there. Your blood, your bugger, yo. See me a win here there. Alright then, double, team, double, first double, team, first double. Tell them push up your score. See me a win here there. Me a go pass here now.
Guys, push this, please.
Yeah.
Oh, stand.
Thank you, my team. Power tap your life, the chat.
Guys, the right back on me, please, guys. Watch him. Whoa, Shelly Emma. Shelly Emma. After me name again and
Power tap your life, my team.
Nikki Flex, the gloves. Yeah, drop it.
Power tap your life, my ladies. Power tap your life, my ladies. Please and thanks. Power tap your life, my ladies. Please and thanks.
Thank you so much, guys. D-Love, thank you so much. Thank you. Target, gift a title. Nanda, thank you. Thank you.
Team, beg on some roses, please.
Watch that crazy, thank you.
Beg on some roses, my ladies, please and thanks. My ladies, may I beg on some roses, then please.
Jaga, thank you. Thanks for start now, guys. You start. Do the thanks for guys, huh? Don't want to get cheated.
Alright then, team. So we have a double here, ready? So we have a double here. Use a double. Nadi, big up, you know. Use a double, no, my team. Use a double, team. Use a double, no, chat. Use a double, team.
Work it, guys. The back away.
Use a double, my team. Nads, thank you. Use a double, my team. Pamela, Wooly, Palofino, use a double, my chat. Come in, go up on the double, team, go up on the double. Double T, alright, see me I catch you up there. Don't tell them to shoot. See me I catch you up there. Your blood clot, yo. See me I go win you there. Snipe, my team. Sniper. Sandy, thank you. Me a come. See me a forward there. Double T. Jesus Christ, you ain't no problem. You better beg them shoot. You ain't no problem. You better make them shoot. You better tell them drop a gloves in I last. You better take them drop 2 gloves in the last minute and I shoot for them. You know? Oh, come here, take the nuggets there. Watch. You better beg them a gloves in the last 2 gloves in the last minute.
Come on. Guys, somebody get
Watch.
Right, Nikki Flex, you drop a glove, Nikki Flex. So much.
A gloves you just send? Team, gloves and show or something. Gloves you just send?
Push it up.
Alright, then I go show you something.
Work it. Mark, thank you, thank you.
I can't gloves that you just send and make a sniper out. Big on one gloves, my team. I'm sure I don't know how to use gloves.
Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Skinky.
What that catch your gloves?
Catch your gloves. Oh, Max. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Thank you.
Oh, that catch your gloves.
Thank you. Dan. That is it. Watch it. Last night. That's what we do. Snipe. Oh, thank you. I'm injured. Thank you. Someone. Thank you.
Alright, team. Beg on one gloves now.
30.
Beg on one gloves. Tell them to drop a gloves in your last 30. Oh my word, I'm going to snipe you on that game, yeah.
What the police guys? Drop the gloves.
Drop a gloves. Beg on one gloves, my team. Beg on one gloves. Beg on one gloves, my team. Alright, so me get a gloves here. Click on the gloves here, use you. Click on the gloves here, use you. Look up, me go sniper. Me go sniper out of Jesus Christ. Me sorry for you.
Thank you for pushing. Guys, nobody can talk about win.
Look how me go win you, Jesus Christ. Look how me go snipe you. No. Shit, I never know what I mean. Don't see that girl.
When Jesus says, nobody can say no.
Yo, one more game left. See me win you that game here, you know? You know, see?
Guys, push it in the 25.
So you have to go wrap up that one, yeah? Okay.
Guys,
You have to go wrap up that one, yeah, my girl. You have to tell your people them shoot by your gloves.
Guys, push it.
You can't lapse.
Yeah.
Thank you, my ladies. Me appreciate you know. Pamela, Nads, Sandy, Wally Palof. You can't lapse. Panda one, yeah, you know. I last game this, you know.
Guys.
Alright then.
Yeah.
And the last game this. I'm sorry for you. Look how me I go win you the last game, yeah. Your people them have to shoot.
No.
Me I go win you, you know. Me I tell you people over there, when you broke out, when you have no money done. When you can't win me the next game, yeah. Me sure about that.
Guys.
When you broke. So you better shoot.
Guys.
Oh my word. I last game. Tell them to shoot because we are going to lose.
Shoot, guys, please.
You ready? Tell me when you're ready, you know.
Guys. Have a shoot for no one here. Please, guys. Just
Alright. Me and you.
guys. Everything for no one. Start it. Them ready. Now rank yourself, my brother. Where you say from team down the money? Alright, show me.
Alright then. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, my ladies. Come in.
MVP.
Alright, we're going to wrap you up here now. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry for you.
Thank you.
When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no.
Guys.
When Jesus said, triple chat. Use the triple chat. Use the triple chat. Wrap it up, team. Use the triple. Wrap it up. Money G, thank you. Wrap it up. Talk to your people. Oh my word. Talk to your people. I would need only triple. Talk to your people. Oh my word. Thank you, my team. Talk to your people. Oh my word. Talk to your people. Thank you.
Lion, guys.
Talk to your people. Oh my word. Come in. Focus. Oh my word. Focus.
Guys, watch me.
Bombona. Alright then, so we get a triple here.
Guys, we're gonna chip there, please. Guys, we're gonna insist still. A lion we can run out of the zoo. Okay. Stop, guys. We're gonna chip there.
Come in, my team.
Target. Target, please.
Oh my word, you're good to get a lion in the last game here, you know. And you're going to win here, you know. You're good to get a lion for your birthday, and we're going here, you know.
God, man. Let's
Oh,
come up here. Guys, bring it triple, guys. Nobody on the
come in, my team. Come in, my team. Come in, my team.
Come on, triple, take triple, guys.
Come in, my team. Come in, my team.
Yeah, may this be the best birthday, guys. The triple star, guys, will put take triple.
All right, see, triple. Last game, I triple. Last game, I triple. Show it.
Come on, guys, we're the triple
Show
lead,
it.
guys.
Show it.
On the easy still, the lion.
I'm gonna show
Me
it.
trying to put up on the
I'm
triple,
gonna support her in the last game team.
Thank you, guys. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Money G, thank you.
Triple,
I'm gonna
guys.
support her another last triple team. Make sure it.
Triple.
Team, come in, go team, go up on that triple A, go up on that triple A there. Oh my word, talk to your team, talk to your team. Oh my word, I last game and me I go win you. Talk to your team, oh my word, I last game and me I go win you. Talk to your team, I last game and me I go win you. Cause look how my team I go snipe in the last 5 seconds. When you no can't see. Look how my team I go snipe in the last 5 seconds where you can't see.
Guys, triple, guys. Triple, please.
That is it.
Julian, thank you.
Come like my fall off for my word.
Fall off.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait there. No, mama.
No.
You know why you say me? Sure, thank you. Sure,
Come in, my team. Power tap your life.
Push up. Thank you. Thank you. Push him, guys. Go.
Power tap your life. Power tap your life. Power tap your life. Ross, I know you're dead. I had a little bit of score here there for your last game.
Guys, you can't push it down, guys.
I had a little bit of score here there. You better drop 3 gloves. You better drop 3 gloves and make them shoot on it, here. If you not drop 2 gloves in the last 1 minute, you can't win that game. I'm going to win you.
Guys, I'm
I'm going to snipe you like when I do your last game. If you can't drop 2 gloves in the last minute, I'm going to win you. Just watch.
Guys, you drop
Just look if you can't drop 2 gloves in the last minute, I'm going to win you. Just look.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
If you can't drop 2 gloves in the last minute, just watch.
Guys, who have a gloves, guys? Mika, thank you.
I lose, you know. I lose right now, you know. I lose, you know. I go snipe big. Alright then, don't say nothing. From me I go snipe big, I know them can't catch that score, yeah. From you say I go snipe big, me shoot at them can't catch that score, yeah.
Drop gloves. Guys,
Don't worry. I'm not worried. Alright, come in my team. Go snipe her big.
Look, guys, shoot for the please, guys.
Come and go snipe her big, you know, team. So we are go snipe her big, you know.
Guys, come on, guys.
Or she go come lose the last game on her birthday. Look how our team are going to really make sure we lose the last game on our birthday.
I'm rather interesting.
Look how your team are going to make you lose the last game on your birthday.
Guys, push up.
Oh, them lucky. And my team never get to recharge. My team never get to recharge a last match. You're lucky, you're fret, oh my word.
Loving, thank you. Believe the man, thank you. This week, thank you.
Oh my word, a 4 game you win me now fall off.
No, me I say me have to watch you. Unpredictable. Guys, 4 to 5. MVP, thank you. Here we go. MVP.
You ready for this, oh my word?
MVP, thank you. Paula, thank you. Mika, thank you.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
1 time for the birthday bitch, 2 times for the birthday bitch, 3 times for the birthday bitch. Fuck it every bitch's 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 birthday bitch. You a bad bitch, it's your birthday. Why would you fuck it up in the worst way? You a bad bitch, it's your birthday. Why would you fuck it up in the worst way?
Alright, oh my word! Come in! Oh my man! Go! Alright, sister!
Birthday, birthday. It's time to do some birthday shit. birthday.
Spin your roll, my sister.
To the birthday.
Spin your roll. Make them say, no. Just spin roll, just spin roll. Me know how you get banana. Just spin your roll, my sister. Make them see how nice it is.
Birthday.
Yes.
Take a shot to his birthday. Trying to get you back home on your birthday. Trying to get you back.
Yeah, but when you bounce.
I'm talking about birthday song. Get it over, get your birthday song. Let the dress come up. Show your birthday come out. One time for the birthday bitch. Two times for the birthday bitch. Three times for the birthday bitch. Fuck it up and bitch your 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 birthday bitch. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Long live fuck it up in the worst way. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Long live fuck it up in the worst way. Come on, one time for the birthday bitch.
Yeah.
Two times for the birthday bitch.
Yeah.
Three times for the birthday bitch. Fuck it up and bitch your birthday bitch. It's cool with the best friends. So she about to fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. And she is a good girl, but tonight she cutting up. Smack on the booty of the grill.
I mean, with the real.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, my sister.
Celebrate life, celebrate life.
One more year for the moment, brother.
Left. Go and do hustle, man, my sister, man. God have to provide better ways here, your family, you know.
Yeah. Pull that way.
One more year, one day.
One on the vibe, give thanks for life. Next year we do it again. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year, one day. One life to you, go with the artillery. Read from the heart, no pretend.
Birthday.
If I ever want to go, flash. Give thanks to a life, oh gosh. Watch them make me go deep in on the stash. Drink and smoke so fast, don't have the sound box. Y'all let my bubble to the max. Everything way cool and relax. So we send out the location. They are back.
That is it, my sister.
Champagne non-stop, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year, one day. One with the vibes, give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year, one day. One life to you, go with the artillery.
Big up yourself, man, my sister, man. So are we able to do today for your birthday?
Let's go eat it. Let's go eat it, brother. Let's go eat it.
Yeah, that's what normal and that's a normal out.
That's normal, Lord.
That is it, man.
Nobody, my brother, for go with.
Eh?
Find nobody for go with. I know
You
the
must stop.
same way.
Sister, some boy don't know where them a miss out pan, you know?
I tell you. No, man, no. Somebody them don't make for me. I tell you.
No. They're not. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. They're not. Jesus Christ.
Oh, next phone. Phone upon speaker.
When it up on the live. Cause it lock it start play, man. Cause it did on the music. Cause it lock it start play. But John, my sister. Don't worry your head, sister. You're gonna find a nice little man. You say if you rush the process, sister,
Yeah.
maybe you gonna find somebody where you want to tie with your heart.
Yeah.
You don't want a boy where you play with your heart, my sister.
No.
You want a boy where like you feel. You
Yeah.
appreciate you and love you for you.
Me.
You understand? So other man out here, them a go just want come play up in your slippers and bust your slippers and tip off. And you can't afford that. Cause you turn big man, you not get no younger, you don't want a bugger man to play up in the ring. Cause that's what me have say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't know. You're a girl with a clean heart and look like you fear Father God and love Father God. So Father God, I go put the right person in a your way, the right time. It's either them come directly or indirectly, but when him a give a blessing,
Yeah.
you know should be way. Cause sometimes we get some real people in our corner and based by our ego, we push a real person where Father God really set there for we. Yes, when me I say sister, and you're a very young, beautiful, independent young woman. And you only deserve the best. Yes, when me I say, so big up yourself again, Panis. You're strong, my sister.
Thank you
Yes,
so
it.
much, brother.
Behalf of me and the team who want big you up and tell you say yo whole heap of love. You're a girl when me always come over here come play with. You always show your respect and me have to commend you for that. Is what me I say. And you know way make you get the support you since night. Throughout everything, you're so grateful no matter where you get. Yes, what me I say. And them love that feel. Me love that feel too. Yes, what me I say. No matter what, you're grateful you fuck. Yes, what me I say. Big up yourself, man, my sister, and go and glow up on them. Yes, what me I say. Now watch nobody, man. Just go and glow, man. Yes, what me I say. God got you. You don't know. Team, I got you. Got you.
Got you.
Big up, my sister.
Wow,
That is
brother.
it.
Thank you so much. God bless you, my brother.
Alright, Mrs. Code. That is it, man, my team. Power tap your life, them, my team. Please, Anton. Power tap your life, boy. Power tap your life, them, my team. Power tap your life, them. Power tap your life, them, my team. Team, big up on yourself. You guys are so great, okay? I look for my Meek Mill song there. That was good. I like that, and everybody will go over there, go support her. Big up on yourself, you know. That's what I say. Everybody will go over there, go support her. I appreciate it. That's what I say. That show, no? And this show the people and the love what we show everybody. That's what I say.
When you buy your mama house, that's when you a real nigga. It's been like a full-time job, not to kill niggas. Brody want me out the car. I be trying to drill with him. They hit my cousin 5 times. I pray to God he's still with us.
I pray to God.
I pray to God he's still with us. I'm somewhere in my real feelings. Make up lies, 1,000 rumors about me, they gon' still feel us. I'm watching guys that was knocking over hoes just to chill with us. Talking like they real niggas. And they did crack. Once you niggas go against the game, you gotta wear that. Million on million. We ain't gotta wear that. I bust some niggas down when they ain't on me and share that. I really had to sell crack to get some Air Max. Graveyard shipping when it's looking felt like Fairfax. Backdoor thing now, you gotta be aware that he bragged about lining his dog up in his head crack. I was fucked. Like
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
They don't.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing good.
I was been trying to catch you. What you up to?
I'm sorry. Things have been a little crazy on stream. I do a lot of like singing and stuff, so sometimes I can't accept every battle.
Okay. Oh, sometimes.
So we on the money gun chat. Alright. Hey, this is what you came for. Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Oh, I know you miss that. Rush on, let me fix that. Just that, baby. Tonight, I'll let you know. Baby, tonight, we lose control. Baby, tonight, you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight, I'll be that best you ever had. I take that with you. Oh my God. Chat with no more money going. Money go chat. I look some money going on some galaxy. Chat with no more galaxy and money going. Work it out, then we cool down, baby. Tonight, the night I let you know, baby. Tonight, the night we lose control, baby. Tonight, you need that. Tonight, and tonight I be the. I look two galaxy down at Tank, your good old. Try me look some galaxy. Dana me look too much galaxy, a nice girl. Try me look too galaxy, but not a crowd.
Hello, it's me. I've been wondering,
Virgo,
after all these
is you like to me? Lava,
go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I'm done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how
Try me look some galaxy.
the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. How from the other side
Magic Magnum.
I must have gone.
Try me look some galaxy. Try me look some galaxy. I look some galaxy.
Everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seems to be home. Hello from the other side. And I can see that I'm trying to tell you.
The girl make me scream too much. Chat. Me I look some galaxy. So we can reach out to $10 and put some galaxy. Who can reach out to $5 and put 2 galaxy. What up?
Her eyes, make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say,
Chat.
when I see her face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, your whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she let me. Her laugh, she hits, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If You look okay. No, I say when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. You're amazing, just the way you are. Chop me look something, now I touch my talent, you know. Wow, the poor workout, poor sukum, and baby. Chop me look 2 Galaxy. Somebody can let me look a post. Somebody can let me look a post shot. Somebody can let me look a post. But in the chat, can let me one post. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful. SWP, let me 3 Galaxy, me baby. Yeah, I know, but I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the... Trap me, I look 2 Galaxy, I'm not gonna steer and I get nothing, you know. Trap me can get 2 Galaxy from somebody. Trap me can get 2 Galaxy expected. Galaxy. This is me now. Galaxy. That's why we don't run piano, man. I'm gonna hold on to the time that we had tonight. I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart? Or you could try sleeping in my bed. Lonely, on me. Nobody had to shut it down like you. You wanna come? You make my body feel bound. Need me, I thought you told me you never leave me. Trap me look 2 Galaxy. I know right where I've been. Take me, baby. You know that I always been in love with you right till the end. Trap me look 2 Galaxy. March! Trap me look 2 Galaxy. Trap me look 2 Galaxy. Trap me look 20 Galaxy. Anybody could have told her right from the start, but the ball
Chat me look to Galaxy. We not a Galaxy chat. We not a Galaxy. Part of what done to them cloud. Chat me look to Galaxy. That's 60 me drop down a 1.5k people over here. Shaggy they can't give Shaggy tell him one puss and tea. Shaggy they can't make a 2 puss me baby. Shaggy they can't make a 2 puss. Lana did me baby. Lemon did me auntie. Shaggy they can't make a 2 puss. Let's go. Me can't stay here so. Police after me, them want to lock me up. I can't stay here, so. No, I get nothing.
Always flexible camera.
Them look some
It's the
shot.
only pad made with a flexible foam core. The lock split in and absorbs more.
Smart!
Even these games that fit securely. So it actually stays in your
Let me look for performance. Smart!
Zero leaks and zero feel. Can your pad do that?
Trap me, I look one
For
exposed.
you.
Marky with the deep page, you can't let me something.
She's on fire. And I'm in Tennessee, living in the highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down.
Me now back down because what? This girl is on fire.
This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes, then look the other way. You can try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. And oh, we gotta be
Trap me, I look for Galaxy.
and we're burning it down. Oh,
Trap me, I look for Galaxy chat. Trapping on no more Galaxy. Trapping on no more Galaxy. We don't have no more money gone.
this girl is on fire.
Dry.
Girl is on fire.
Trapping on no more Galaxy.
She's walking on fire.
Trapping on no more Galaxy team.
Girl is on fire.
Trap me, I look some Galaxy.
Everybody says that she's on fire.
Try your Cali more for you.
She's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl. And it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire.
Trap me, I look party kid.
Girl is on fire.
We can't get too much. David Phillips, I can't let one. Why?
She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Trap me one, the pan fire. Come off a fire. Trap me, I look two Galaxy. A pure slung pan. Shugums asleep. Me don't want to walk. Shugums tonight, you know.
took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet we'll never make it, but there's a love that us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Trot.
It's still what I run to, the one that I belong to. It's still what I want for life.
Baby.
It's still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. It's still
Galaxy Affair. Trot, you want some Galaxy? Talk to me, Galaxy.
Ain't nothing better. We'll be the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Trot.
It's still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. It's still the one I want for life. It's still the one that I love.
Trot, I look some Galaxy.
It's still the one I
Trot, we look some Galaxy. We don't want nothing big. We not beat down nobody. We look some Galaxy. If you can't put a Galaxy, if you can't put a money gun, if you can't put a wheel, if you can't put a post, really do appreciate it. If you can recharge one $10, put a Galaxy. If you can recharge one $5, put a money gun. If you can recharge one $30, put a meteor shower, put a meteor shower. What we have to do for help yourself, yes, so no chat. We have to ride and whistle. Or I got to leave. And the Magnum attack. I've been drinking Magnum and Spin. Chat, we now have the more Galaxy chat. Miss Phenomenal Woman, thank you. Chat, we can help out Miss Phenomenal Woman with another wheel with my germs here. We can help out Miss Phenomenal Woman with a wheel. We can help out Miss Phenomenal Woman. We'll have the more Galaxy. When I go suck on the mama stop spam. We'll have the more Galaxy chat. We'll have the more Galaxy. It's the Island Girl Caliber 3 Galaxy, my girl. It's not a good chat. Try this door, look good by my portfolio. But I never sing for nothing. We all look to Galaxy. Chat with a Galaxy. And warmer. Poor top shot me, I look out at me yai. I look good. Me don't need much plenty, me I look out at me yai. Lana Dean, thank you. Try to look 3 more Galaxy. We can put 2 Galaxy, so we can help out Lana Dean. Out of 1.5K, we can get 2 good Galaxy. This is a good for our portfolio. We can get 2 good Galaxy chat.
We don't have no more Galaxy team. If we restart, I pay fast people there. I will do a mixed up, you know. Yeah, beg me come for big on the board. This. Moderator click more, so moderator will click on all them. Tire go recharge and tire and piss me off. Chat me I look too Galaxy. I want them do there, chat. What them people that come from there?
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come.
Ryan. Try me I look too Galaxy.
We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet.
Try me I look too Galaxy chat.
Make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to.
Chopping on a Galaxy chat.
Still the one I want.
Chopping on a Galaxy.
The only one I dream.
Try me I look 30 Galaxy chat.
Kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. Would be the odds together. I'm diving in and listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet we'll never make it. But just look at us holding on.
We're still together, still going
strong. Still what I'd run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Still
Drum rock want me a dash my way.
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we come.
Not fascinated tonight and music me listen to and beg, so no go on in the name of Jesus. Me not do no extra curriculum tomorrow.
No for the music, come on, star. I tell you, so we done now, so let's go for the
Watch out, me while I took my food and call it a night. Then just said, can Richard want some more Galaxy? Just said, can Richard some more Galaxy?
I gotta take a little time to think things over. I better read between the lines in case I need it when I'm colder. Hey, in my if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. Gonna take a little time to look around me. I got no